Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Chrome and going straight to Chrome, //settings/passwords or settings autofill passwords. You must be signed into the same Google account you used when saving credentials, because Chrome ties saved passwords to that account. Once there, pause and make sure your device PIN or OS password is ready. Chrome will ask to authenticate before revealing secrets. This step verifies you. It protects passwords from unauthorized viewing, and it sets up the next action of revealing. Now you reveal or export the credentials you need. Click the eye icon by any saved login and authenticate with your device password. Chrome will show the password so you can copy it. If you need a bulk copy, choose Export Passwords. Chrome will require authentication and then produce a CSV that you must store securely. Once done, if Chrome Sync is enabled, you can also visit Passwords. Google.com to access the same saved entries from another device, which helps recovery across machines. Finish by securing any revealed or exported passwords. Move the CSV to encrypted storage or delete it after importing, and change any exposed passwords quickly if needed. If you don't see expected entries, make sure you are signed into the exact Google account that saved them and that Chrome Sync is active. Without that, entries won't appear. If problems persist, check your device's OS account authentication, recent sign-in activity for the Google account, and update Chrome. These steps resolve most sync or visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.